Medit Crown Fit is an app that helps to perform a digital crown fitting test by checking the alignment between prepared teeth and milled prosthesis data in just a few steps. To use the Medit Crown Fit app, you need 3 pieces of data. This video will explain how to scan a milled prosthesis quickly and conveniently using a Medit intraoral scanner and the Medit Scan for Clinics software. First, create a new case for the scan in Medit link, then run Medit Scan for Clinics. Before scanning, click the Smart Color Filtering option and register the glove color to be filtered out. Color registration is complete. Now, scan the milled prosthesis. As you can see, the color of the glove holding the crown is automatically filtered out from the collected scan data. This is very convenient because there is no need to edit out unnecessary data. Scanning is complete. Click Complete to save the scan data. Post-processing is complete. Now, run the Medit Crown Fit app. Select 3D data files to import from Medit link. You can freely choose files from different cases. Select the milled prosthesis scan data just acquired, the prepared teeth data, and the CAD data. Assign the appropriate data for each category. Now, you can check for the fit of the milled prosthesis using various tools in the Medit Crown Fit app.